Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest pyramid ever built. Constructed over 4,500 years ago for Pharaoh Khufu, this ancient wonder originally stood at 146 meters tall. Today, it still rises to about 138 meters. It was built using approximately 2.3 million massive stone blocks, each weighing between 2 and 15 tons. After thousands of years of wind, sand, and dust, it remains one of the most mysterious and breathtaking structures on Earth.
When viewed from above, the scale is immense. But only when compared to a human figure does the true magnitude of the pyramids become clear.
Just imagine the stories these stones could tell.
It's absolutely breathtaking. The scale is humbling.
Look at the erosion pattern up there.
We should send the drone higher tomorrow.
It matches the original schematic.
We need to secure this section before sundown.
The alignment here matches the shaft, yes, but the depth is off. We need to recheck the strata. Dust is thick, be careful. Got it. Almost clear here.
Pull the rope tighter!
Watch the left side, keep it steady.
Ready? On three. Ready. 1, 2, 3. It's aligning. Push harder. Got it. Tighten the bolts. Done. Next one.
Tension secure. Clip in the safety line now.
Hold this steady for me. Got it. How's the tension? Feels good. Now for the anchor. Ready when you are. Okay, feeding the rope through now. Got it. Keep it steady. How's the tension? Good. One more loop. All right, secured. Looks solid. Let's go. Okay, let's check the harness tension. Right, I'll pull my end. Good, now I'll take the slack. Feels secure. How's the lock? Lock tight. We're good to go.
Secured?
Yeah, checked and tightened.
Ropes are clear. Ready to go.
Check your knots, everyone. Knots are secure. Blue line is tensioned. Good. Confirm harnesses. Harnesses checked. Ready. Ready on my side.
Is this line clear?
All secure here.
Ready on my mark.
All right, team, let's check the ropes. Looks good. Ready for the haul. Okay, pull it taut, and secure. Passing the orange line. Good. Let's move up. Okay, pulling the red line. Got it. Feel secure. Blue line extending now. Anchoring it. Good tension. All right, check harnesses. All set. Ready to climb.
Up, watch the edge.
Almost there. Hold it steady.
Got it. Clasp engaged.
Solid.
Okay, let's tighten these lines. Got it. Pulling now. Good tension. Check your side. Look secure. Clipping in. Okay, we're good. Ready to move. This anchor point feels loose. Let's check the tension. Okay, I'll hold the rope while you adjust the pulley. Good. Now pull it tight. Taut, secure. Looks good. Let's move. Check the anchor point. It's secure. Now the tension. Feels good. Your side. Locked in. Ready to test. Good to go. All right, let's get these hoses connected. Okay, pulling it over now. Good. Securing the connector now. It's tight. It's tight. Ready to test. Okay, activating spray. Spraying. It's working well. Ready? On 3. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Pull. It's moving. Keep it steady. Almost there. Hold it. Set. Good. Secure it. Careful. Check that crevice. Got it. Looks stable. Okay, keep tension. It's secure. All right, pull steady now. Got it. Steady pull. Keep it taut. Watch the edge. Taut and clear. Ready for more. One more strong pull together. Ready on this side. Pull on 3. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Keep the tension steady. It's lifting. Got it. Holding strong. Good. Let's secure it. Keep it steady. Don't miss the crevices. Got it. Moving up now. Looks good. Ease off. Ready? Let's get this connected. Yes, line is tight. Turning it on. Okay, aim for the base. Keep it steady. Got it. Dust is clearing. Good. Sweep across. All right, switching to water now. Go ahead, the stones are ready. Good, make sure it spreads evenly. Soaking in well. Check the hose connection. Connection secure, pressure is stable. Activating the nozzle arm now. Arm extending, looks good. Here, take the nozzle, it's ready to go. Got it, feel secure. Good, go ahead and test it. Okay, spraying now. Looks good, keep it steady. All right, let's break this down. Ready, spraying now. A little higher, to the left, got it. Good, keep the pressure steady, will do.
Watch out! Water from the rocks! I see it! Keep moving up! It's slippery! Hold steady! Steady pull, activate sprays. Sprays on, dust is settling. Good progress, next tier. Almost there, hold steady. Foam is sticking, keep it steady. Copy, adjusting angle. Wind's picking up, watch your footing. Acknowledged, one more pass. Drone approaching from the left, get ready. Roger that, holding steady. Extending brush now, scrubbing. Copy, watching for debris. Area clear, moving up, fine.
Connect the last hose. Connecting now. Secure, ready. Opening the valve. Pressure is up, it's working. Looks good from here. All systems go. Make sure the nozzle is secure.
Harness is set, ready.
Nozzle's tight, attaching the valve. Good, test the pressure. Testing now. Pressure's good, we're set. Okay, let's connect the nozzle. Right, hold it steady. Now the hose. Got it, all connected, looks good. All right, let's pull this hose to the next section. Got it, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy now, watch for sharp rocks. Clear, pulling through. Secured, ready for the next.
Okay, guided into the trench now.
All right, let's get this pipe laid before the weather turns. Reel is spinning, keep the tension steady. Drone's up, it's scanning the site. Rain starting, let's move faster. Okay, let's get this section aligned.
Ready. On 3.
1, 2, 3. Good, now secure the joints.
Down. Okay, pull the rope tight.
Okay, align the ends, push it forward on 3. Ready, pulling back. 1, 2, 3. It's shifting, hold it steady. Joints are aligning, secure it.
This joint looks solid. Let's check the alignment. Agreed. I'll get the wrench. Careful with the rotation. It's secure. Now for the excavator.
All right, let's get this section clean. Copy that, moving to the next block. This residue is tough, increasing pressure. Good work, keep it steady. Spraying deep into the cracks now. The foam is expanding, it's getting deep. Moving up to the next section. Almost done, good coverage.
Software grime music for software to turn video calm and focused. Neuron interpreted mix.
This batch here, we should finish before the sun sets.